Hello, and today is day 30 of this 30 videos in 30 days challenge. And I would just want to say thank you, thank you for listening to me ramble on various topics. But we did it. I learned something. I like to think that I have come very far with me talking to Jim, this camera, and I feel pretty at ease now. I guess I'd call it a success. So going forward, we shall return to more art-focused videos on tips and tricks on how to improve, how to make art, how to improve in art. And that should be my next challenge. But for today, we celebrate. So I just want to say, once again, thank you. And I'll see you when I see you.